Minister of Women Affairs, Community, Small and Medium Enterprises Development, Honorable Monica Senator Mchangwa. Dr. Mavis Sibanda, Permanent Secretary of the Ministry, Dr. Sibanda Sangara Enewan.
Our ZANU-PF National West Province is represented by Amaisha, Chairperson of Women Affairs in National West Province, Comrade Constance Shamu, the Chief Director in the Ministry of Women Affairs, and the directors here present, senior government officials here present, our traditional leaders, Chief Washika, Chief Vachuero, Tunok Chingamizai, the District Development Coordinator for Chekuti District, Mr. Mark Kadaira, the Mayor of Norton Town Council, Mr. Mataruse, Deputy Mayor and Councillor Tapera, Acting Town Secretary, Mr. Madunde, Director Housing Department, Mr. Muchkambizi, Women Support Representatives, representatives from the civil society, invited guests, the media fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. I'm greatly honored to welcome you all to the graduation ceremony for Manake Empowerment Trust. Today we gather here not only to celebrate the achievement of these talented individuals, but also to honor the dedication and hard work that they have put forth to reach this milestone. These graduates were trained in various categories by the Ministry of Women Affairs, Community, Small and Medium Enterprise Development in Chekutu District here in Mashonaland West Province. This colorful graduation serves as a testimony for government's commitment to empower our women and communities. This is consistent with the Vision 2030, where Zimbabwe intends to to reach an upper middle income society by 2030. Spearheaded by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. I would also want to appreciate the Ministry's Center for Rural Women, based in Drewmas, which is commonly known as Jamaica Inn, for collaborating with Chekutu districts in training these graduates. They were trained in various entrepreneurial skills, and to this end, they are now able to make quality products, some of which are displayed here. We have seen some of them being exhibited here. Instead of buying them in shops, they can produce for their own consumption and even sell to make money, thereby enabling household livelihoods. Manake Empowerment Trust, through the able leadership of their director, Dr. S. Sokani, has made us all proud as we hear and witness the good job they are doing here in Norton. We heard that they are also doing programs to fight against drug and substance abuse and GBV here in Norton. Those reformed from this scope are also given opportunities to do projects and get trainings like the ones for which we are now awarding the certificates today. Skills development is one avenue through which we can be able to take our youth and communities from violence and drugs in the society. The model that Manake Empowerment Trust has initiated is a good one that needs to be supported and replicated across the entire country. Manake, you are complementing government efforts very well in your programs. Please keep it up. We will try by all means to support you. Like what you have requested, we have request that you need land so that you make your life easier. We will get this message to the Honorable Minister, and rest assured, the Honorable, you are not going to take Manake away from National University Province. National University Province will remain the best province in this land. So likewise, we will ensure that the needs of Manake are taken care of. Yes! On that note, I welcome you all to Norton town in Chekutu district, National and best province. I thank you.
contribution vakamirwa naDr. Matare, our chairwoman for ZANU-PF in the province, Comrade Shabu, Manake Empowerment Trust, Dr. Sukani, vese vanorongedzwa vari pano. Allow me to say all protocols observed. Ladies and gentlemen, my task this afternoon is to introduce our guest of honor. Our guest of honor, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to say is a lady who has distinguished herself in the civil service, having worked and served in a number of government ministries, which include the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Finance, and some of you might remember in the Ministry of Industry and Commerce as the permanent secretary there. Our guest of honor, ladies and gentlemen, has also served Zimbabwe in diplomatic service in the People's Republic of China. Saka hayo hatatsikwa vatumwa zvavanoorerwa minister asi muchazvinzwa pavachataura kuti hayo vachakwanisa kumirira minister zvinonakidza. Our guest of honor, ladies and gentlemen, is none other than the Minister, the Secretary for Women Affairs, Community, Small and Medium Enterprises Development, Dr. Sibanda. Dr. Sibanda.
And all the ZANU-PF, National and West leadership and cadres here present. I would like also to salute our traditional leadership, our chief who has just joined us. They say dynamite comes in small packages. I want to salute in a special way Manake Empowerment Trust Director Dr. Songile Sokani. Seeing that it is now after 1, I would like to say all protocols observed. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. Yes, today is a good day. We are here to celebrate. So feel free. It is my pleasure and singular honor to be officiating at the Manake Empowerment Trust graduation ceremony here in Norton. Let me say, I am here representing the Honorable Minister, Senator Monica Mtswanga. She would have loved to be here. When we sat down with her, telling her the story, telling her what was going to happen today, she did not hesitate. She said, yeah, I am going. So she was coming. Unfortunately, she has been assigned to go to Addis Ababa. So she had to quickly go to Addis Ababa on duty. So this is why I'm here. I was going to be here anyway, accompanying her, because for us, this is a very, very important day. So today we are gathered to celebrate a remarkable milestone of skills training in the lives of 248 graduates who comprise of 192 females and 56 males who were trained in December 2024. This is not just a ceremony, but it is a testament to the hard work, resilience, and determination that each of them have displayed through the skills training program. Congratulations, Makorokoto, Amflope, to all of you. My ministry, through the Community Development Department, is tasked with training community members in various technical and entrepreneurial skills. This is done to equip beneficiaries with the skills necessary for development of viable livelihoods and sustainable utilization of locally available resources. This training program targets beneficiaries that decide to empower and improve themselves through skills development. I think you should understand, I underline. We look for people who themselves decide to empower and improve themselves through skills development so that they can have better lives. Resultantly, the skills training programs that are delivered by the ministry's 2 national training centers, namely the National Training Center for Rural Women situated in Bhora. This is the one which we used to call Jamaica in, and the Mashonaland East Province, and one is the Jamaica in is in Mashonaland East Province, and the other one, the Mountains and the Training Center, is in Masvingo, Ebe. This one used to be called Roger Hauman. These 2 centers, they assist beneficiaries access skills that will empower them to start and grow their own enterprises. I am advised that 248 graduates were trained in basic garment making, detergent making, bakery skills, management of enterprises. All this training, ladies and gentlemen, if you take it seriously, it will change your lives. You will never be the same. After this training, you should be a different person. You should be a person who is ready to go and do better for yourselves. I therefore would want to take a moment to acknowledge the team at the National Training Center for Rural Women. Team, you did a good job. Your dedication to empowering individuals through various skills training is very commendable. You have provided the beneficiaries with the means to transform their aspirations into reality. Thank you for your passion and commitment. Ladies and gentlemen, I am reliably informed that Manake Empowerment Trust was established by Dr. Sokani in 2022 to fight against drug and substance abuse, gender-based violence, and promote equal participation of women and men in socio-economic development. I would like to express my gratitude and appreciation to Manake Empowerment Trust for their complementary actions that support my ministry's work in pursuit of our national vision, which looks to achieve a prosperous and upper middle income society by 2030. We cannot do it on our own as a ministry. So, Doc, your assistance is really, really appreciated. We want to work with organizations like yours so that we uplift the livelihoods of our people. Our assignment as a ministry is to ensure that we uplift the livelihoods of our people. Our people should live a better life. They should not continue being where they were 40 years ago. So what we are doing is actually working towards that vision. The skills training program that's being offered help tackle the challenges of livelihood skills gaps that women and communities struggle with and help them realize significant economic empowerment and self-sustenance. Resultantly, a number of benefits that include employment creation, stimulation of local resource markets and value chains, and the development of new enterprises are expected to be realized. This resonates well with the mantra of His Excellency President Dr. E.T. Mnangagwa of leaving no place, no one behind. We want to develop together with everybody. Additionally, these empowerment programs will help to combat drug and substance abuse and GBV, which have become a menace in our society. To the graduates, I would like to commend you for embracing the learning opportunities and demonstrating an unwavering commitment to personal and professional growth, which is vital to developing yourselves and shaping the future of your communities. I urge you to continue upgrading yourselves in this ever-changing world and technological advancement. There's a saying, in other words, we should continue upgrading ourselves. Allow me to extend my sincere gratitude to the exhibitors, I saw nice things outside. I would like to congratulate you, and I would like to say thank you for showing us what you are doing. You have shown us your exceptional talent, and which actually proves that you learned something. That's why you are graduating today. As I said, some of the exhibits we saw out there, I asked my chief director to say, some of you please work with our officers in the province. We are going to ZITF soon. We would want to include you. We usually have a bit of space depending on how much funding will be allocated by Treasury, but we usually get some stands. And on those stands, we do allow you, that's not all of you here, but I'm saying you can come up, you can maybe within your manake, you can then take a few items which you would like to exhibit, which might be from different people. We would want you to exhibit what you are doing at the ZITF. We think this is that would be very further, as a ministry, we do take business people like you who are doing such quality products outside the country for exhibitions. Of course, we won't pay for you, but we do handhold you. I send an officer or two to go with you to these exhibitions. You pay for yourself, but you learn a lot, because when you go out there, what happens? You can even buy a shoe, come back, dismantle it and see how this shoe is nice, how do they make it? Or whatever you are doing, you can improve and you can get markets for your products. So we want to help you so that you get markets outside the country as well, so that you grow. So I would like to say, really, your participation not only inspired our graduates, and also demonstrated the power of inclusivity, resilience, and determination. Let's work together, ladies and gentlemen. We are very happy. We are here for you. Let's work together. Don't be tired of calling on our officers, the ministry officers who are here. I saw them standing there. They should not just be here to see the graduation, but please get to know them so that they can help you. We deeply appreciate the remarkable support of those who have contributed to the success of this endeavor. These include the staff from the ministry, the head office, West Province, the district and training centers, line ministries, departments and agencies, and development partners. The families who are here and friends of our graduates, your support has been instrumental and every sacrifice made has led to this day. We thank you very much for believing in these graduates. We thank you for standing by them and supporting them. I think they need support when they do such. I can imagine they need their children to go for this for the training programs. So it's important we are very grateful that as families you allow them to go and do the programs. So thank you very much. In conclusion, I urge you all to dream big. Are we together? Please dream big. The sky is not the limit. Are we together? Yes. Dream big. The sky is not the limit. You are the limit. So remove limiting yourselves and move forward. Work hard. Remain steadfast in your pursuit for excellence. Remember, success is not merely about personal achievement. It's about lifting others as they rise as well. 4 years' time, you coming to say, Dr. Stan, I am one of those who graduated that day. Come and see what I'm manufacturing. Not, I would want you to call me to say, come and see the uniforms I'm manufacturing in the factory. I am employing 30, 40 people. This is what we want to see. From this graduation, I would want to see you saying, ma'am, come and see my bakery. I am baking cakes, I'm baking biscuits, you have got a bakery. Please dream big, you can do it. There's nothing that stops you from doing it. Thank you very much.
Rava.